Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 37th algorithm video. In this algorithm we are given an alphanumeric string. We need to extract numbers from it and calculate the sum of those numbers. So this is the string. I make a blank list of numbers and I also make a blank string of numbers. For I in string, I check if I is numeric, then I concatenate I to string number I. Else, if string number is not equal to blank list, then I append the number to the list numbers dot append int of I, int of string number, and then I make the string number blank again. Else, if the string number is already blank, then I continue with the next iteration. So basically what am I doing here? So for example, we get this one number in the first I, it is numeric, so I concatenate 1 to the string number. In the next iteration we get A, so this is basically an alphabet, it is not a number. So string number is not blank, I append 1 to the list numbers and I make the string number blank again. And now since the string number is blank, now when I get B, it goes to the else statement and it continues with the next iteration. When it goes to C, it goes to continue statement, and now when I get 2 again, it is alphanumeric and I concatenate 2 the string number, and when I get 3, I concatenate 3 to the string number also, and the string number becomes now 23. And now since the string has been completed, we need to append this string number when the loop completes. If string number at the end of for loop is not blank, then I append list numbers dot append string int of string number. If I print list numbers, I get 1 and 23. Now I just need to calculate the sum of it. Sum of numbers is equal to 0 for I in list numbers. Sum number is equal to sum number plus 1 I. Now I calculate the sum number at the end of the for loop, and as you can see, we have correctly printed out the sum as 24. Now if I change the string to say geek 4 geeks 47, the list of numbers contain number 4 and 47 and the sum is correctly printed out as 51. This is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.